Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get free upgrades on Delta Airlines. If you're a frequent flyer or hold certain Delta credit cards, this process can help you score better seats without paying extra, making your travel experience significantly more comfortable. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand how Delta's upgrade system works. Free upgrades are primarily available to Medallion Elite status members or holders of specific Delta credit cards, like the Delta SkyMiles Reserve American Express card. These upgrades are based on priority lists that clear at set times before departure. For example, Diamond and Platinum members get priority at 120 hours out. Keep in mind that basic economy fares are ineligible for upgrades, and availability depends on what's left after paid upgrade options are prioritized. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once you're on the Delta homepage, look at the top menu and click on My Trips. This section is where you'll manage all your existing flight reservations and check your upgrade eligibility. Now you'll need to enter your flight details. Type in your flight confirmation number, your first name, and your last name in the fields provided. After entering this information, click the red button to proceed. This will pull up your booking details and show you the options available for your specific flight. At this point, I'm going to explain what happens next, since I don't have an actual ticket number ready for demonstration purposes. Once you click that red button, the system will search for your reservation and display it on the screen. From the search results, select your trip. This will open up a detailed view of your flight itinerary, including departure times, seat assignments, and any special services you've added. Now scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Complimentary Upgrades or Upgrade Options. This section will only appear if you're eligible for upgrades based on your status or credit card membership. If you don't see this section, it means you're either not eligible or upgrades aren't available for your fare class. In the upgrade section, you'll see checkboxes for different cabin classes. Look for the boxes next to Comfort Plus and Slash or First Class. Check the boxes for the upgrade levels you're interested in. You can select both if you want to be considered for either option. After selecting your preferred upgrade options, click the button that says Request Upgrade. This action places you on the upgrade waitlist according to your priority level. Your position is determined by your Medallion status or credit card tier, so higher status members clear first. Once you've submitted your request, the screen will display your position on the upgrade list. This confirmation shows where you stand among other passengers waiting for upgrades. Don't worry if you're not at the top initially, as the list changes as flights get closer to departure and seats become available. From this point forward, it's important to monitor your upgrade status regularly. You can do this through the Delta app, which will send you notifications if your upgrade clears, or you can check manually by going back to My Trips and selecting View Upgrade Status. This keeps you informed about any changes to your position or upgrade confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully requested your free upgrade on Delta Airlines and know how to track its status. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.